What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So, have I got something awesome for you today? Today we are making something great for a snack or for a dinner party entree. We are making Tofu Endive oats. Let's get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. All right, so first we are going to saute the onions. Ooh, that's nice. But I'm also going to add to this the Fiddleheads, because they're kind of tough. So I'm going to saute these for a little bit and then start adding in all the other awesome ingredients. So I blended the tomato because it was like crushed, so I wanted it really smooth. So I've done that, but I'm not going to use all of this because I just want a light sauce with this. So I'm going to add this first. Like I said, I'm not going to add too much to that. Now to this, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm not adding everything in here. You won't need it all. The tofu, of course. This is the great part with the salty and a little bit of bitter with the endives. You get the sweet potato and just a little bit of the black beans. So like I said, you're not using a lot of tomato sauce, just enough. Now it's gotten real quiet now. There we go. I might add just a little bit more, but not too much. But this is pretty much it. Now I'll take you over to the endives and see how to cut them and get them all ready for this, because this is done. All right, so take you down to the endives. If you haven't seen this, that means you haven't checked out my video, which happened last week. Anyway, so all we're gonna do is you're not gonna go down too far. You're not going to go up too far, sorry. Just to the tip of the endive, cut that, and your boats come off. There's one, look at that, isn't it so cute? Look at that. Aww. And I can't find the next one now, hold on. All right, we're going to cut some more. You will actually have to cut as you go along, so your boats might get a little bit smaller, but you get the idea now. I've got the tofu mixture, I've got the endives, and just a little plating for it. So, really simple, guys. All you gotta do is take a spoon, take some of your mixture, put it in your boat. There you go. Isn't that pretty? So nice. Leave that there. Again, fill it up. No, can't do the copyright, right? Okay, yeah.
So this video is not being monetized.
Alright. Like I said, I really love the addition of the sweet potato. Just gives it a little saltiness, a little sweetness. It's actually really great. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do this, and then I'll be back in a second. There they are. So good. Like I said, like I always say, you have to give these a go. They are quick, easy, and they taste great. But before you go and do that, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload cool and interesting videos just like this one. All right, I'm gonna go and snack on these, and I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.